I am the author of Illegally Incarcerated. You may have had a taste of my book by looking at the first episode of Outlaw on television. I am fighting for justice. I am fighting for the rights of everyone to be allowed to have a jury of one peers, to be able to receive justice instead of taking a plea bargain because of not being able to get a qualified attorney to represent them in a court of law. I am fighting for Stanton T. Story. He was sentenced to death for a crime that he did not commit. And when he fought for justice here in the courts here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, they changed the sentence to life imprisonment. And life imprisonment in Pennsylvania is natural life. And then he was sent throughout the United States for 14 years so that he could not have access to the Commonwealth courts. I want you to know that he did not receive a jury of his peers. I want you to know that 2 people were accused of killing a police officer, but only one had to stand trial, Stanton Story. Stanton Story received a jury filled with police relatives. Even the mayor's cousin sat in the jury. Not once, but twice. I want you to know that Stanton Story received the death penalty when there was no death penalty in the state of Pennsylvania. I want you to know that there was no evidence to even convict or charge him with the crime of killing a police officer. I want you to know that Scanlon said there was an ambush. And if there was an ambush, why was Officer Wallace running towards the ambush away from Scanlon without his gun being drawn? I want you to know that the coroner's office couldn't find the bullet that killed Officer Wallace. I want you to know that Kenneth Scanlon, the police officer's partner, was said by neighbors and by another ex-police officer that he killed Officer Patrick Wallace, that Scanlon killed Officer Patrick Wallace. Why didn't they find the bullet? Why did Scanlon blame it on a young black man that he had never seen? He said that he arrested him before, but there was no evidence, no record of him ever arresting Stanton Story. I want you to know that Stanton Story is innocent, and I want you to know that Stanton Story deserves justice. I want you to know that Stanton Story is a human being. I need your help. I need your assistance. Please help me by buying this here book, Illegally Incarcerated. The funds will go for him and others to receive justice here in the state of Pennsylvania, here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So please help. Thank you. Bye.